Hello guys, welcome along. Today now we're going to be installing these rotor covers onto a 2024 wing. So join us along and we'll do the installation, and don't forget to subscribe, like and leave a comment. So without further ado, we'll go ahead and do the installation. Alright, so we start the installation, but before we do, I'll just go through what we have. What the box comes with is your two lights, your rotor covers. These are black with an amber light. They also come with the brackets and all your mounting screws. Now these also come in two other variances. You also have them in black with a red light. Now I wouldn't think they'd be much of a useful. People might complain about the red light in the front. Then we also have them in chrome. These are chromed in with an amber light as well. So they will put a bit of shine onto the front of your bike. So let's start the installation process. Now what I'm actually doing is cutting two slots into the cover. That will enable me to give it a bit more space away from the disc, and it makes the fitting a lot easier. So we'll carry on with the installation. Okay, the first thing we'll do is remove the fender. You've got 4 bolts, 2 on each side. Now you don't necessarily have to remove it. You could get away with just loosening the side of it, but as we're doing 2 sides and everything, it's much easier just to remove it, as it's so easy. Just pops off. And at least it's out of the way, and it's not a nuisance. Next then we're going to remove the 2 bottom bolts on the leg. And just before you start, make sure you get the right brackets. This is the right hand bracket, so this part is into the disc. And don't forget to tighten them. Don't want them falling out. Okay, next thing we do is we have this bracket, and that goes on to the top. So you have this bracket. Now let me see now where we fixed. Right. So that would go on like this. And you're using the nut and bolt. Handy you're putting this on first rather than during the installation, because you won't get your hands on it at it. Very awkward. So let me see now. Now, I found that these are very close to the disc, uncomfortably close. So what I've done is I've cut 2 slots in the rotor covers to make it easier to fit. Because as I said, I was a bit uncomfortable with the fact of it being so close to the rotor covers. Now I'm just going to put one of these inside the cover to keep the cable in place. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. Join us on our YouTube channel, Shinywing European Goldwing Specialists. We don't want the cable flying around with the rotor covers. Right. Now I said, because I have the slots already cut, It means we can just push this in. It makes it much easier for the installation. That goes in there behind, in between there. So that goes in there. Then it's kind of put this in. Okay, now what we do first is line her up. Put this one in first. You just have to push this down the cable. Right. And because we've got the grooves cut, it means you can place it wherever you're comfortable with, without it going too close to the disc. So, nice and securely. Now, just tighten the top one as well. Okay. Right, now we'll feed the wires around. Find the shortest route possible, so that it's not in the way of anything. Do this. Right, what we do now, we're after bring the cabling up now up to the bulkhead area. So what we're going to do now is just feed the cabling through, which we use our cable tie. And we connect our cabling onto the cable tie and we feed it through. So we pull the cable through, down through here, and then they're plug and play. When they say plug and play, they will actually plug into the distribution block, the Pathfinder one, and just plug it in. And you're ready to go. So they work as running lights, and they're also an indicator function. So that's all them. all done, finished. So just finish up putting your seat back onto the bike and off you go and enjoy the ride. I hope you enjoyed our video, and if you have any comments, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for any further updates. Talk to you on the next video. So it's goodbye from Paul.
With